south central Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Westmoreland County and southwest Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from New Florence to 6 miles southwest of Laurel Mountain State Park, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Lanier, Laurel Mountain State Park, New Florence, Arma. This will impact the following highway, Interstate 76 between mile markers 93 and 99. This storm has produced widespread wind damage across Westmoreland County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is a killer. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for western Maryland and east-central Ohio and southwestern Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772.